Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the stellar Induction non-stick frying pan, a premium option designed for induction cooking. Let's find out if it lives up to its reputation. The stellar Induction frying pan is an exceptional cooking solution specifically crafted for induction hobs. However, don't worry if you don't have an induction hob because it works just as well on gas, ceramic, and traditional hot plates. What sets this pan apart from others is its versatility and performance on induction hobs. Unlike some other pans that may have restrictions on where they can be placed, the stellar Induction frying pan excels no matter which size induction zone you use. Available in 5 sizes, ranging from 20 cm to the extra-large 30 cm model we're reviewing today. The stellar Induction frying pan offers a size for every need. But let's dive into what makes this pan truly stand out. The base of the pan is made with a magnetic ferrous metal, ensuring perfect contact with the induction zone's glass surface. With a 1 cm thick base, it's incredibly sturdy and resistant to warping, even under high heat conditions. The outer section is crafted from finely lathed stainless steel for maximum induction conductivity, while the inner layer features aluminum for excellent heat conduction. The stellar Induction frying pan is not just about performance, it's also a sight to behold. Made from 18-10 stainless steel, it not only offers exceptional heat transfer and retention but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. When it comes to the cooking surface, this pan doesn't compromise. It features a 3-layer Teflon non-stick coating that's as slippery as can be. Nothing sticks to it, making cleaning a breeze. And the best part? The non-stick coating is guaranteed for a remarkable 10 years, providing peace of mind for durability. The handle design is well thought out, with the 30 cm variant sporting 2 handles. The main 10 cm Stay Cool handle provides a secure grip, while the stubby hand grip on the opposite end is perfect for lifting heavier dishes. The other sizes in the range come with a single handle. Plus, this pan is oven safe up to an impressive 180 C. The stellar Induction frying pan's depth and size make it perfect for a wide range of cooking tasks. Whether you're preparing a full English breakfast, a bolognese sauce for a crowd, a sizzling stir-fry, or a medium-sized Spanish paella, this pan has got you covered. Speaking from personal experience, this pan is among the easiest to use and clean. Heat transmission is excellent, even with its larger dimensions. I tested it with bacon and eggs, and it was a breeze to control the heat. The bolognese sauce simmered perfectly thanks to the pan's size and heat distribution. Now, let's talk about its induction compatibility. This pan is designed to work flawlessly across its entire base on any induction hob. In fact, I tested it on the smallest induction zone, and it worked anywhere within the zone, including the fringes. This level of sensitivity allows for precise cooking control and versatility. If you're looking for a premium induction-ready frying pan that truly delivers across the entire width of your induction zone, the stellar Induction 30 cm frying pan is the one for you. However, if the 30 cm size seems too large, don't worry, there are smaller options available. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with the stellar Induction frying pan. That concludes our review of the stellar Induction non-stick frying pan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.